Kirk Kooks. It's Pizza Wednesday again. We're still on the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pizza series. So we're doing another Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles pizza. This week's pizza is from episode 19, Beneath These Streets. Toppings for this one: granola and licorice. Don't really like licorice, so I already know I'm not going to enjoy this one. But hey ho. So I've got my dough ready. Let's find out what a granola and licorice pizza tastes like. Let's dough. So obviously first thing we need to do here is get the dough stretched out. So now we've got our base stretched out, let's get some granola and licorice on this. So start with some tomato sauce, some mozzarella cheese, some granola. This is going to be pretty crunchy, isn't it, with this on? And some licorice. As I say, I don't really like licorice. Can't imagine it would taste great on a pizza even if you did like licorice. Okay, look, nice little pattern. So that's granola and licorice ready for the oven. So, pizza is done. And there we have a cooked granola and licorice pizza. The licorice is really sort of like blistered and it looks like it's probably crisped up. I'm still not going to like it, but it looks weird. The licorice on this seems to have gone really hard. I'm not even sure I'm going to get through that, to be quite honest with you. It doesn't look nice, doesn't smell particularly great. Really, really strong smell of licorice. Let me see if I can cut a piece off. Do that, look. Do that, we've got plenty of granola there and two big bits of licorice. Yeah, I mean that licorice, look, if I take one off one of these bits, look, it's like, it's still quite gooey, but the top of it is just so hard. It's like really crisped up. So, let's give it a taste.
Hey dudes, anyone for a slice of granola and licorice pizza?
Oh, God. It's all sticking to my teeth. Oh. Just tastes like burnt licorice. I mean, the licorice is crunchy enough as it is. You've got all the crunchy bits of granola around that they've gone even crunchy because they've all been toasted in that. Oh, I mean, it's not the worst thing I've ever eaten, especially not doing these turtles pizzas, but that's not nice. It's like really bitter. It's like licorice is quite, I'm not a big fan of the taste of licorice anyway, but cooking it on the pizza's made it so bitter. I guess it's probably because it's burnt. Oh, honestly, these turtles are sick. Oh. Well, it's another turtles pizza done. Let me chuck that bit in the bin. Find something else to do with this lot. Oh, I can still taste it. It's so bitter and horrible. Oh, see, most of them taste good, quite good. That's got such a horrible aftertaste to it. Oh, right. Don't put licorice on a pizza. It doesn't work.